Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to talk to you about a few of the problems with lighting in high-speed video. When you shoot normal speed video, your camera has between 1/60th and 1/24th of a second to gather light for each picture. But when shooting high-speed video, I'm limited to less than 1/1000th of a second to gather all the light for each picture. This means I have to use some pretty intense light sources. The problem is not every source of light is built the same. I'm showing here an LED light, a compact fluorescent, and a halogen tungsten light. You can see that both the LED and the compact fluorescent are flickering. This is because they both respond very quickly to changes in current passing through the light element. The halogen tungsten bulb doesn't flicker very much because it has a lot of thermal mass. Once it heats up, it takes a long time to cool down. So even though the AC electricity that passes through it is dropping to zero current every half a cycle, the filament doesn't have time to cool down and cause the light to get dimmer. This is something that's very useful in high-speed photography. At normal frame rates, you wouldn't even notice the flicker of an LED or compact fluorescent, but when shooting high speed, like in these examples, you can see that the flicker is very distracting and more or less ruins any footage you might film using these as a light source. There's one other source of cheap light that you could use for shooting high-speed video, and it's the sun. There's enough intense light that you can shoot at very high frame rates, provided that there's no clouds or haze in the sky. This is particularly useful when you're trying to film something big. My 500 watt halogen light has to be nearly touching the subject when I want to shoot at 1200 frames per second. Shooting outdoors, the only limit is the lens on the camera itself. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you'd like to see some of my high-speed work, check out my channel. Thanks for watching.